One of the major aims of this project was to demonstrate the ROS-based R3M architecture in an industrial setting. Here we're using the RECON Cell in the AMRC's Factory 2050 building. The RECON Cell features a custom-designed flooring system which allows robots, fixtures and other equipment to be installed in different arrangements. The floor consists of an array of 1 meter by 1 meter rafts with various interface plates that have specific hole patterns for securing the equipment. The cell is controlled by a Beckhoff IPC connected to typical industrial hardware such as an Euchner Door Interlock, EtherCAT IO modules and a Beckhoff HMI screen. The RECON Cell is modular, scalable and physically reconfigurable, but the R3M software enables the smooth transition between different industrial use cases. Industrial implementations of ROS are rare, yet here we are using it on an industrial cell, on industrial hardware and demonstrating multiple industrial use cases.